What is up, YouTube? It is your boy DILL, and I am back with another video, guys. Look, I know we ain't been consistent as we was when we first started making videos, y'all, but look, I have been working non-stop, y'all. Just in 2 weeks, 112 hours, man. They've been killing me. Anyways, y'all, today we're doing another prank on ROBYN. Hey, y'all, I'm finna get her. Y'all already know I am. Team DILL down below, y'all. Anyways, today, y'all, I'm sorry, baby. I had to do it to y'all. So what I'm finna do is I'm gonna put some flour in her hair dryer, y'all. I don't know how this gonna go on, y'all. She gonna get so mad. I'm telling you, cause all that flour in her hair, I already know. Trust me, she does not like her hair being messed up. So without further ado, guys, if y'all are ready for this, let's get into it, man. That's all I gotta say. If y'all like this, comment down below, subscribe, and we gonna still be bringing y'all videos. I promise you. We ain't been doing it like we want to, but I promise y'all, we still bringing them videos. We love the support, love the subscribers. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all. We got our flour. Let's see here. Ooh, what's that right there? That's her hair dryer. Look at all this stuff down here, y'all. Women, like, just women. Anyways, let's see. Let's get it. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Alright. Oh, it's so weird. Okay, hold on, y'all. Dang, I have to wash this off. Oof. Gotta get rid of the evidence, y'all. This here. Oh, crap. Oh, this dog gonna fly everywhere. Alright, y'all. She been sitting in her workroom for the past, like, what, 2 hours maybe? Working on some kind of cup for some people. Anyways, you know, if y'all want some cups and stuff made, t-shirts, cups, look, y'all, hit her up. We shipping. We doing orders, man. We finna come out with some R&R LifeStyle shirts. And man, y'all stay with us on this journey, y'all. Anyways, without further ado, y'all, I'm gonna see what she doing. See if she wanna come take a shower. And we gonna get into it so she can go ahead and blow dry that hair. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Alright, guys, I just called in here. So now all we gotta do is find somewhere to set the camera. Cause she finna come in here, she finna blow dry, or after she got showered, she gonna blow dry her hair and she gonna get mad. Hold on, y'all, I gotta find somewhere to set the camera. Let's go. Babe! Babe!
What?
You ready? Come here.
What?
You ready for a shower?
Yeah.
You wanna take a shower?
Yeah. I need to go get your cat.
Why?
Cause you bad.
Like, come on. You wanna take a shower?
Really, you stink.
You stink.
You stink. You smell like sweaty balls.
Oh. Alright, cool. Let me go take a shower. Babe, I love you.
I love you. something on. It's quiet in here.
Alright. What you wanna watch?
It don't matter.
Alright. I don't really see nothing good. Watch a movie or a show?
You can watch a movie. You can go to Disney Plus if you can't find nothing.
Okay.
You see anything on there?
Yeah, watch some.
You can't ever go wrong with Disney.
Oh,
Something don't even want to work. Oh my God, Romarius! Get your ass in here!
what?
Why do you play so much?
What are you talking about?
This is not gonna come out of my hair easy.
I didn't even do nothing.
Do you see this? This is not funny.
What are you talking about?
Bruh,
What's that burning smell?
my hair dryer. Because you play so much.
Smell like burger ramen noodles. Oh.
You see what you, look at this. You're helping me get this out of my hair. It's gonna take like it's white. This get the camera out of my face.
What?
I'm fixing to punch you. I am fixing to Romarius,
What's wrong,
get
bro?
out of my face.
That junk stink.
You stink.
Bro, I ain't even do nothing.
Look, feel it. Look,
How you
feel
know?
it.
How you gonna say that was me?
Who else was gonna do it?
Bruh.
Bruh, nothing. I'm gonna get you back for this.
That junk blowing up.
But it's oh damn, this shit is burning for real.
The crap went in my nose.
You finna catch us on fire? It's in here smoking for real. So
That's alright, I got you though. That's all that matters.
that's all I'm gonna get you back.
Golly.
Best believe I'm gonna get you back. And I just got out the shower.
I almost just died up in here, y'all.
I'm in danger.
Golly.
Look at this. Oh my god. This is not going out.
Golly, that thing choked the crap out of me.
My
Bruh,
hair looks white. I look old.
you are white.
This is
Bruh.
up to you. Really?
Bruh, that junk was smoking, y'all. That junk about to blow up. We had to unplug it. For real. That junk smell like burnt ramen noodles. Anyways, y'all, look. Look, I got
Look, you got footprints all over the carpet.
Cause you the one who blew doggone flour everywhere.
Well, you're the one who don't know how to stop playing so much.
Golly, y'all, I got flour all over me.
It's all in my eyelashes.
Anyways, y'all already know it's your boy Team DILL. Comment down below, cause guess who always win a Team DILL.
That's all.
Now,
I'm
on
gonna
a
get your ass.
scale from 1 to 10, how mad are you?
12. Cause it's not fixing to come out of my hair.
So So what you mean?
So you don't have to deal with it. I do. This fixing to take me 2 days to get out of my hair.
Anyways, y'all, like I said, man, we're gonna keep dropping them videos as much as we can. She got pranked again. Y'all seen what she did to my PlayStation 4. But guess what? It's alright, because I'm coming back with more, y'all.
Just wait till y'all see what I got next for him.
Whatever. Anyways, if y'all like that, comment, subscribe, like down below, guys. Like I said, man, we're going to drop them videos as much as we can. Without further ado, this is the R&R Lifestyle, and we out.